Oh my god, it's just like old times. You have absolutely no idea how exciting it is to have all you guys being like, she lives! Because I am alive, and it's awesome. But I figured out I could totally use my phone to like record video and shit, and it's pretty exciting. So, yeah. You guys ready for some Burping King? Okay. Yay. My bathroom hasn't changed much, and it's still my go-to place to burp. Not too sure why. I got a rabbit. You guys want to see it? Of course you do. You don't have a choice. Just like old times. Oh, I love it. Man, I got a palm tree in Fernie. It's pretty crazy. Here's my bunny. Oh, wait. Yeah. Ah, she's a little turd. She's like, no, don't touch me. And want to see my palm tree? It's pretty intense. Yeah, Jake's pretty insane. There's a whole bunch of guys doing construction across the street. I feel weird talking to my phone. I graduated. You want to see my grad picture? Yay. You want to see my grad dress? Oh, lordy. Okay, here's the underfloof I have just for the grad dress. Look at it. It's like freaking gigantic and just so much floof going on. And then, okay, the thing's gone in my shirt now, so. There's the beautiful thing. Here's my grad dress. It's so sparkly. And it's so fluffy. Yeah. Oh, I should totally make a Burping King video with me sitting in the dress just burping away. If you can't breathe in it, it really sucks. Here's my cat. Nice. Oh, that smells so bad. Here's my failed attempt at making brownies. Yeah, didn't cook all the way through. This scratch I got from my rabbit. Isn't that intense? She sucks. She'll like, you'll pick her up and she'll just be like, no! And just claw the crap out of you. Oh, yuck. So since you've seen me, I've taken up drinking. Not really. Just, you know, grade 12, you got a party. Oh, I have this epic idea for making a new Burping King video. It's gonna blow your socks off and take your pants off or something. Blow your pants off. Here's... No, never mind. You don't want to see that. But yeah, now that I have a better camera with a better quality, here you go. I made that with pencil crayon. It's pretty freaking intense. Oh, they're so like, I don't like that. This is fun. Here, I'll give you an idea of what the new Burping King is, you know, my idea for it. Oh, it's awesome. My mom always used to call my burps blast burps. Isn't that funny? Okay, this song is going to be involved in my new video. Oh, it's gonna be so epic. I love it. If you don't know what song this is, then just leave now. Alright, where's the funny part? This part. It sounds like they're saying, corn on the cob. Star Wars song. Faux show. Man, I wish I had some beer. Oh, my beer burps are just immaculate. Yuck. Nice. I need water. Jeez. Okay. Damn it. Yuck. Oh my goodness. I'm in the newspaper. And it's not the crime report. See, look it. There's me in the newspaper in my dress. Oh my goodness sakes alive. Ow! Here's my cuckoo clock. You wanna see my cuckoo clock do its thing? It's so cool. Just wait. How the hell do I do this? Oh, damn it. Just wait. I gotta go all the way. Oh. I want them to sing and dance. It does that every, like, minute? I want to get to the hour. Okay. Now stop the ticking. Just wait. I want to do the thing where they dance. Okay, this will be the one. What the hell? They're not dancing. The little people who got dancing as a song. I feel ripped off. I'm sorry, you guys. Oh, damn it. There you go, that's what it does. Are you being cute? Fruities. Baby girls, what you doing? You being cute, babies? She likes it when I burp, I guess. The Frues. Oh, she smelled that one. Look at her. Nice. You saw that at my mouth too. That's what's so gross. Yuck. Well, I think 10 minutes is long enough. I will see you later. I'm totally back.